Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to be working with HTML buttons. That's what we are going to be creating in this lecture today. We are going to be creating HTML buttons. So first thing first, the requirements. We need our code editor. So we are going to be opening our VS Code. After we've created a folder. So I'm going to be creating a folder right on my desktop. You can decide to create your folder in whatever area you want to create it. So for maybe easy access, I'm going to be creating it right on my desktop. So name it HTML buttons. HTML buttons. So I'm going to drag it in the VS Code. So alright. So it is my VS Code. So I'm going to be creating a new file, index.html. You can say app.html. It all depends on you. Alright, then I'll create another file, app.css. Yeah. So I'm going to write my HTML. So type, so you can see it. Yeah. Just with an exclamation mark. You click here, it should create this boilerplate for you. So we are going to type it. So type HTML. So you start with HTML. So you go to the head, then you have a title, HTML buttons, HTML buttons. That kind of. So then you should have a body. So in this body, let us say H1 HTML buttons. Alright, so just right click and you should be able to see show preview. Yeah, so you can see it now. HTML buttons. Yeah, so yes, HTML buttons. Yeah, these are. So we're going to create different buttons. So we're going to write the HTML code while we go and write the CSS code. Alright, so let's say button the class, let's say login rounded btn. Alright, so let's get login. So we are going to have another one just to do this. Let me resize so you can save it. Let's say maybe top right cut button, login full button. Alright, login full button. We have a different kind of buttons here right now. So login button, rounded button. Let's say 15. That's gonna give us pixel. So this one, let's 15. Alright, we're having 4 logins here now. Alright, so let's write the CSS code. You just see our body. Okay, sorry for sizing for that bus. Alright, so let's see. Let's take all the classes. This is the first class. So just copy it. Say background. Change the background first. Maybe red. Yeah, that should give us red. So then change the text color to white. Alright, nothing is working right now because we've not linked it in. So let's link it. So you see link CSS. So app.css. This app CSS is this app CSS we have it right here. Alright, so you can see it's having the color now. Let's take the other one. Let's say login 50 background. Let's give it black. The color should be white. Okay, so let's take the other one. So create a class, login. So we're going to say background color. Let's say 35 49 FA, that is blue. So color white. Okay. So the last one, I think we should give it an orange kind of color. So login please. Login full button, see background, see 00.24. Sorry, Ashley. Okay, cyan. Cyan. So that was orange, huh? I need orange. So for you to get colors, just over your mouse here. Then I need orange color. Okay, this is not bad. It's a color white. So now let's work with the full button first. I'm going to say width 100%. 100%. Okay, so margin top, so 15% without the space. So padding, I say 15%, 30%. Okay, border radius 15%. 15% is not bad. Let's just give it 50%. Alright, so you can see that border now. If you don't like it, say border none. So when we run a mouse on it, we want it to be black. Okay, so you are going to see login full button over, say background. Alright, let's see. Hope you can see. So when you hover your mouse on it, it becomes black. When you move your mouse, is this. When you move your mouse, it's black. Right? So you can make it white while the text is orange. So the text now becomes what? Orange. So you can see. Okay, with a border, 2% solid orange. Yeah. So let's put font weight. Let's make it border. Okay. Okay. So as you can see now, so the next one is what this. So let's see, adding 10%, 30%. So border radius, we are going to work with this 15%. Right. So you say border none. Alright, you can see that. Alright, you can see it. So margin top 10%. Alright, so the next one is what color. We've done with color. So say padding 15%, 30%. Alright, so see border radius 50%. Okay, like so if you have border, should be none. Okay, border none. So margin top 15%. Last but not the least is the top right cut. Okay, let's say padding 15%, 30%. Yeah, just like that. So you say border top right radius. We have border bottom right radius, border top left radius, border bottom left radius. It all depends on you, right? So let's say cut up right now. Say I give it 35%. So you can see cut from this right, the radius from the right. So border say none. Alright, so you have margin top 15%. So guys, this is it. So when you have your mouse on it, So let's try this. When we over our mouse on it, it should be white and rest. So let's say about uh login 15 over when you over your mouse on it, background color comes white, then the text color, color, the text color becomes red. Alright, that's it. Yeah, so give it a border to paste there, solid red. That's it. Alright, so guys, this is it. So you can just play around with these buttons. Yeah, you can edit the code, whatever you want. Yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment.